guys, I am Kayla Waller with Waller Adventures, and today we are going to clean out the Waller Adventures garden. So let's go. So if you watched our butterbean video, bell pepper video, and the loofah video, you can tell that the garden has grown since then. The loofah plant has actually gone up on the OG, which is the original garden. And you can tell the butterbeans are still looking good. These are looking good as well, but our bell pepper plants are not looking that great. They are done for the season, so we are going to be cleaning out the OG. So if you watched the how to build the Waller Adventures garden video, if you haven't, I'll put a link up to it at the top. We hold the door to the OG with Velcro straps. So that's how we are going to get in the garden, is by undoing all of these Velcro straps. So once you get the Velcro straps off, you just take the door up. And I have to be really careful because the loofah plant is on top. But you just lay it down like so, and it stays. Now you can get into the garden. So as we walk into the OG, you can see that the bell pepper plants are done for the season. We do have this butterbean plant back here that is also pretty much done. It has not produced any more butterbeans in a couple of weeks, so we're going to pull it as well. This butterbean plant over here is still doing great, so we are going to move it into a pot, just like the other ones, so it can still grow and produce more butterbeans. All right, so we got our gloves on, so let's get to cleaning. Now that we got all the old bell pepper plants out, it looks pretty empty. I put the other butterbean plant in a pot, and I got some of the dirt out of the OG because it is nice and it has a lot of nutrients in it and a whole bunch of earthworms, so I used the original dirt in there as well. So the next step to cleaning out the OG is getting my shovels and getting my scraper and freshening up the dirt. Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. So I want it that way. Tell me why you ain't nothing but a heartache. And here today, the earthworm, I went down yonder on the Chattahoochee. It gets hotter than a hoochie coochie. Oh, oh, so I stirred up the dirt in the garden, as you can tell. The reason why I do this is to let it breathe and to stir up all the earthworms in it, so that way it will rejuvenate all the nutrients in it. So that is how we clean out the Waller Adventures garden. Normally we leave the garden like this for about a month to let the air get in the soil, let the earthworms do their thing. But this year we are not planting anything in here for the winter. We're going to give it a season off. So we will plant more stuff in it next summer. So stick around for that. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Did you like that gardening video? Then check us out on our YouTube channel at Waller Adventures. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we post more videos. Also check us out on our Facebook page and on our Instagram page. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you real soon.